Introducing SearchGPT, a revolutionary AI-powered search engine built on the GPT architecture. It combines natural language processing and machine learning to understand user intent and provide contextually enriched answers. Unlike traditional search engines, SearchGPT excels in delivering relevant and comprehensive information. SearchGPT works by interpreting user queries like a human would. It decodes nuances, understands context, and provides concise, comprehensive answers. With features like natural language understanding, contextual awareness, and conversational interaction, SearchGPT makes information retrieval more intuitive and efficient. 1. Natural language understanding. SearchGPT interprets user queries in a way that mimics human understanding. When a user types a question or a search term, the AI decodes the nuances and context, considering various factors such as the phrasing, intent, and specific details mentioned. This deep understanding helps in filtering and presenting results that are directly aligned with the user's needs. 2. Contextual awareness. One of the standout features of SearchGPT is its contextual awareness. Traditional search engines often return a list of links where users must sift through content to find what they need. SearchGPT, however, generates responses based on a synthesis of relevant information, offering concise and comprehensive answers directly. For instance, if a user asks about the causes of climate change, SearchGPT provides a detailed explanation rather than just a list of sources. 3. Conversational interaction. SearchGPT supports a conversational style of interaction. Users can engage in a dialogue with the AI, asking follow-up questions and seeking clarifications. This iterative process helps in refining the search results and obtaining more precise information. The conversational nature makes it easier for users to explore complex topics and obtain a deeper understanding. 4. Dynamic learning. SearchGPT continuously learns from user interactions. Each query and its context help the system refine its understanding and improve the quality of its responses. This adaptive learning ensures that SearchGPT evolves over time, becoming more effective in handling diverse queries and providing accurate information. SearchGPT offers comprehensive data integration, advanced query interpretation, a user-friendly interface, and ensures accuracy and reliability. It draws information from diverse sources, handles complex queries, and provides credible, well-supported answers. SearchGPT draws information from a wide array of sources, including text documents, web pages, and specialized databases. Its ability to interpret complex queries is a key differentiator. It can handle multi-part questions, ambiguous terms, and specialized jargon, providing responses that address the core of the query. The interface of SearchGPT is designed for ease of use, featuring a clean layout and intuitive navigation. It prioritizes the accuracy and reliability of the information it provides. It uses sophisticated algorithms to cross-check data from multiple sources, ensuring that the answers are credible and trustworthy. SearchGPT is versatile, aiding in academic research, technical support, business intelligence, and personal assistance. It streamlines research, solves technical issues, provides business insights, and assists with everyday tasks, making it a valuable tool for both professionals and individuals. For students, researchers, and academics, SearchGPT is an invaluable tool. It streamlines the research process by providing comprehensive answers and relevant sources, aiding in literature reviews, data analysis, and academic writing. Its ability to interpret technical queries and provide precise answers makes it a valuable resource for IT professionals. In the business world, SearchGPT helps with market research, competitive analysis, and strategic planning. It can analyze trends, summarize industry reports, and provide insights that inform decision-making processes. Its conversational nature makes it easy to ask for recommendations and receive tailored suggestions.